Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making no-bake vanilla coconut squares. This recipe combines vanilla wafers, coconut, and marshmallows to make a delicious dessert. So let's get started. Spray an 8x8 pan with non-stick cooking spray, and then set it aside. Crush enough vanilla wafers to make 3 cups, and then set that aside. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of milk. Using a candy thermometer, cook this over medium heat to 235 degrees or just to the softball stage. And be sure to stir this constantly. Then remove from heat and add 1 stick of butter and 20 regular-sized marshmallows. Now stir this together until everything is melted. Next, 1 cup of sweetened flaked coconut. Add your crushed vanilla wafers. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now place this into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Let this cool before cutting it into squares to serve. And here they are, no-bake vanilla coconut squares. These are a rich and sweet treat. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Medium heat to 235. Yeah, messed up. These are a sweet and rich dessert. Treat. Oh, I want to say treat instead of dessert. Rich and sweet, treat. These are a sweet and rich treat. Wait a minute. These are a rich and sweet treat. That's hard to say. Rich and sweet treat. These are a sweet and rich, oh my gosh. These are a sweet and rich, oh, no. These are a sweet and rich treat. Oh, no-bake coconut, oh, now I can't get the name right.